It was a typical Tuesday in spring. Nothing out of the ordinary except for Marvin's ever-growing temper. It was the one case I had yet to solve. I was sitting down taking my usual pre-lunch smoke, when all of a sudden, the gorgeous Mrs. Ogrebelly burst through my door in utter hysteria.
Oh, Inspector Parmesan! Thank heavens you're here. My sweet pup Elmer has gone missing! You must help me!
Is this the hound that doesn't come when called and eats people food off the counter?
Yes, that's him. Oh, Inspector, I'm lost without him. Won't you help me, please? I hear you're the best.
Well, you heard right. But it'll cost you, Toots!
Oh, Inspector, I'm broke. Marlon Brando took everything in the divorce. All I have left of value is my grandmother's chicken Masaman recipe.
Well, you're in luck, dollface. I haven't had lunch, and that sounds like it would hit the spot. But we'll need to film it, and you'll have to instruct from behind camera. The spotlight's not big enough for the two of us, see?
When can we start?
Straight away, I'm starving. Come. Welcome to Quarantine Kitchen.
Oh God.
Alright. What's the first step?
Are you ready for this?
Oh, I'm ready.
All right, then let's get started. I have dumbed everything down real nice
Dumb
for
it
you.
down for me, baby. Dumb it down.
So
Yeah.
start, William, with your potatoes and your carrots, and you're gonna peel them.
Are these...
Yes, those are potatoes and carrots.
Right on. Let's
Yeah, very nice. Good job. Okay, so just get
Oh, so I'm cleaning it.
you're just peeling off the wrinkly bits. Does that make
You didn't
sense?
say that.
William, how do you feel into your first foray of cooking?
A foray?
Mm-hmm.
You know I don't like it when you make up words. Just to sound smart.
Always keep the board clean. Goodbye.
Good content. I'm glad you're getting this.
Those look great. Oh, bye.
Supposed to be looking at the onions.
Uh-huh. We got a sensitive one over here. Look at these nice slices. Grab the garlic and the ginger, please. Oh, hey. Yeah, just use your finger to get the rest of that out. Yeah, good job. Oh, no. That's oh. Well,
Oh, it burns.
no.
Why does it burn?
All right, so you're not going to do the whole thing. You're only going to do about up to that little knobby thing. Just do the same thing that you did with the garlic. Very good. Don't eat that either. What is wrong with you? You're going to put them in that bowl with the curry paste. We're using Masaman curry paste, everybody. And I'm having you put them in the same bowl because you're going to be adding them at the same time. So you might as well just mix them all together. Let's slice our carrots and put them in the same bowl as our onion. Keep those ends on them right now. Keep it on. Just start from this end and just keep going, and then it'll cut off your other end. Does that make sense? Put all those carrots in that bowl with the onions, please. Because you're adding those at the same time as the onions. See?
I didn't know that, see? I'm putting carrots in just because you told me to.
But now you've learned, see? Next up, sliced potatoes. But you want them to be in 3/4 inch pieces. So sometimes the potatoes might be a little on the larger side. So if you need to cut it into like thirds, That's fine too. Oh, snap! Someone's getting cocky.
You don't teach this in culinary science school, huh? Put it here, put it here, put it here.
You were going to put it in the empty bowl.
I don't know, they look like pineapples to me. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Oh, gosh, raw chicken is so disgusting. So the store only had tenderloin, so chicken tenders, so that's what we're dealing with today. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Look at you, learning things. Now get rid of your gross ass cutting board, knife, and plastic baggie because they're all infected with salmonella. Just put them in the sink. Get rid of them. We don't need them no mo. That's why we did the chicken last. See?
Shout out to Magic City Woodworks. I think you made a beautiful cutting board. I think it's a work of art with an amazing story.
Amen.
Check them out. They don't deserve that kind of disrespect.
Even things that are infected can still be made clean.
Don't try to save yourself.
Well, get your butt off the counter. What do you think this is?
What's next?
I don't know, place?
What's next?
Let's actually start cooking.
All right.
Took you that long to prep everything, slow poke.
What do I do here?
Heat up this dang wok. Turn it on to like medium high since your stove is super hot. Wait for 1 minute before you add the oil, all right?
Okay.
It's looking pretty hot now. Add your oil. Yeah, it's hot. Ooh, smoking. Add immediately your carrots and your onions. Add them in there. Oh my God.
Panic.
Oh, there we go. Okay, everything's all right. Now stir those around. Just keep stirring them. So this is a stir fry, buddy. We're getting some browning. Let's add your curry paste, garlic, ginger mixture. Yeah. Stir it.
Oh, wow.
Get that smell, right?
I can like smell the...
So good.
Oh my goodness, that smells really good now.
Now let's add some cashews, and thankfully you can just add the container that we had there. Don't
You
even have to
have
measure.
the exact number of cashews.
Yeah, I counted them. 48.
Weirdo.
Keep stirring. I just turned his stove down a little bit because his stove is crazy. And next you add your coconut. Oh my goodness, I forgot to tell you to open that. Give me the spoon. Straight. I'm gonna stir this. Hurry!
Yeah. The cap's lost.
It's fine, just pour it in. We'll get it. There we go. And now grab that chicken broth and just pour it in. There's like a cup left in there.
Let me guess, the exact amount we needed for the recipe.
I counted it.
You're a weirdo. Who leaves the You know what? I'm not even mad. It makes my job easier.
All right, you're gonna bring this up to a slight simmer. It shouldn't take very long.
This is getting like that color now. I like that. It actually looks like the real thing, huh?
Looks like what you get from your favorite restaurant. There's some bubbles. Add your chicken and potatoes now.
Oh goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Plop.
I turned it down a bit to maintain a simmer, so it is not just vigorously bubbling over.
So this takes pretty much constant stirring.
Actually, it doesn't. In fact, at this point, now that it's only slightly bubbling, we are going to cover it with our handy dandy wok cover, aka pizza pan.
That question had excellent timing. All right.
Yeah, pizza pan wok cover. Okay. Teacher messed up again because this is hard. It's hard doing this at the same time. Let's add 1 tablespoon each of brown sugar and fish sauce, and you add that when you add the chicken and potatoes. That is not a tablespoon measure. That is a teaspoon, babe. That is a teaspoon. So you want 3 teaspoons to equal a tablespoon.
I got my jail cell keys mixed up.
That big guy is a tablespoon.
Big one. The big boss for the sauce.
And now stir it all in. All right, now let's cover her up. Put the cover back on. It's ready to simmer. We can remove our lid. It's been 15 minutes.
Should I stir?
Yeah, give a nice stir. And while we're doing that, let's add half a teaspoon of salt to our mixture.
Right on, you got that ready for me. We're making our rice.
Because you gotta serve this with rice, people.
We've already made a rice video, so
Go check it out.
go check it out. And then you can make the recipe in full.
So now we're gonna let this simmer for another 15 minutes uncovered. You can keep it covered if you'd like, but I like a glazy sauce. I think our friend William here though prefers a saucy sauce.
I do like a saucy sauce, but I'm with whatever great grandma Ogre Belly used to make.
Yeah, right from Thailand. All right, let's turn this bad boy off. Our potatoes are done. Our chicken is cooked.
All right.
Turned it out. So let's stir in some lime juice. Oh, crap.
Yeah, we forgot limes.
That's
so we're gonna
true.
use lemon juice, which made no sense to me, but I'm gonna follow your lead.
We're just gonna put in a tablespoon for now, just in case the lemon juice is weird.
You missing out on buying ingredients is becoming a trend for these videos.
Kind of is. I'm real bad at that.
It's okay. They've all been really good though. All right, what next?
Now we just serve it with our freshly steamed pot of rice, some avocado, and the cilantro. Steamy hot rice. Fluffy as heck. That looks great.
I did not measure this before. All right, now what?
We're going to put some of those fried shallots on top.
How much?
Like a pinch, like an Eagle Town.
Town, the fried shallots!
Yeah.
Oh yeah, put that on your curry.
This is Thai, so I don't know why you're going all Scottish.
I think well, I thought the Scottish accent tied it all in nicely.
Oh my god. Now time for zaccato.
I did not take the sticker off.
Oh, and you cut it that way?
Is that not how you did it? So this is not how you do it, huh?
No, and don't use the knife like that. Just use a spoon. Use a spoon.
That was not good.
No.
Oh god. So is it up to me the amount of avocado that
Yeah,
gets put in?
Pretty much. Aesthetics be danged. Gorgeous. Wow. Oh. All right, chef.
I like that. Call me that from now on.
Absolutely not. So, how'd the gringo do with the Masaman?
The gringo?
Yeah, I'm a gringa. Sorry, I'm a girl.
This is honestly really good. I've never had homemade masaman, just restaurant style, and I love ordering it. This is just as good as any restaurant chicken masaman I've ever had. This is well done. Well done.
Thank you.
I tip my cat to you. Tip my cap to you and my cat.
Oh, thank you, and thank you, Marvin.
Well done. Well done.
Yay!
Now, after this post-gorge siesta, I will help you find your dog.
You mean Miss Ogrebelly?
Yes, Mrs. Ogrebelly, of course.
She'll be much appreciative.
She better be. Oh.
Oh, Inspector, I knew you'd find him. Elmer, come here, my boy. Oh, sweetie. Mommy missed you so much.
Tell me, Mrs. Ogrebelly, how long did you search before coming to me for my services?
5 agonizing minutes, Inspector. I searched every room in the house, front to back, word for word.
Not sure that last part is possible. But nevertheless, I found your pup safe and sound in your backyard, eating leftover ravioli lasagna and peeing on what looked to be important legal documents. I would recommend getting your dog checked out for mental problems.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. You really are the best.
I know. That's a pretty good look, huh? I think I like it.